Hi there and welcome back to the channel. My name is Roxy and you are here at Reviews by Roxy. I have another really cool review for you today and I hope you get a lot of value from what I'm about to reveal. So let's jump in now. So this particular product, really interesting. I love anything AI focused, ChatGPT focused, anything that can streamline our workflow, make us more efficient as humans. That's always going to be really interesting to me. Anything to save time and just be more efficient, I'm always interested in. This product really jumped out to me. It is called Six-Figure Superprompt. It is from a really amazing product creator called Storyshacks. They have created quite a few products that have sold really well because of their high value and the high quality that they are bringing to the table for a really small investment. So that's why I simply had to jump in and create another review video for one of their new products. So let's go through the sales page. So basically the tagline, stop wasting time paying for software that doesn't meet your needs and unlock the secret to earning money by creating children's storybooks with free AI tools just by copying and pasting. So that sounds really attractive, really exciting. Creating storybooks for children is always something that's really difficult. It's a huge niche. Kids devour books like every single day, and my children go through books and books and books, and we buy a lot of them, and then they read them through, and then they gather dust on the shelf. But they can't get enough of them. Children's books are a popular niche. They will always be popular. Children love stories. They love to read. So this is a huge no-brainer niche. But the thing is that it's always difficult as a creator to just know what types of books you're creating. What's the storyline? How are you going to make it engaging for a child? Or, my children, my youngest is 7, 8 years old. I want to make a story for her, but then I've got another child in a different age group. And then you have to think about how would I make something that appeals to a teenager or something like that. So being able to cater to kids of different ages is always something that is quite difficult. You find an author and that they maybe are, they only create products or books for children of under 8 years old. And then you might find one that really only deals with teen books, or you might find one that only deals with the tween age group. But what I've seen with this Superprompt that we are about to delve into is that you are then able to use AI, leverage AI to be able to create a library of products, a library of books that are aimed at all the different age groups. I feel like we could even tweak this prompt to make it relevant for teenagers / young adults as well. So that's really a really quite exciting thing. And I'm going to just take you through this particular product and show you what I mean. So if we are scrolling through, we see that access to this particular super prompt is only $9.95. So it is quite possibly a no-brainer purchase. There's not really a lot that you can invest in your business for $9.95. And that's what's so exciting about this, is that they have taken the time to create a super prompt that can be used in various different scenarios, various different situations, and be applied in various different ways. The creators are Craig Crawford and Andreas Quintana. I would say they are veterans, really well known within the digital product circuit, and everything that they create is really high quality. So as we're scrolling through, they're just letting you know about the, how popular the children's book niche is. It goes without saying. It has always been popular and will always continue to be popular. And the thing that I guess the most attractive thing about this particular prompt is that it's ready-made, copy and paste it, make those changes where necessary, and you've got a whole new book. We know the amazingness of AI ChatGPT. I think we've all witnessed it, how easy it is to kind of create products, create content, but sometimes it takes you a while to perfect that particular prompt, that particular set of instructions. And that's where this particular product allows you to leapfrog that headache of creating something from scratch. So it says prompt like no other, simple to use, get quick results. There's plenty of places you can sell these books that you create. You can sell them or you can give them away for free, depending on what your business model is. If you're an aspiring publisher, then this is going to be a really great option for you as well. There is included free training on how to build your books within Canva. So build all those illustrations, the imagery, in a really engaging and exciting way for children. Think about it, children's books are a year-round profit opportunity, obviously, of course, and there are so many different ways that we can use this prompt to be able to be focused on different types of celebrations, different seasonal aspects throughout the year. So with this prompt, I could think of quite a few different ways that we could tweak it and then create a whole another story. So we have the time of the year, it's fall, we've got Thanksgiving coming up, there's Halloween. We could tweak the prompt to be aimed at parents of under 5s who are looking for a really cute Halloween-themed story for their child. But then we could tweak it again and it could be aimed at a tween. So from that 9 to 12 year old, maybe 9 to 12-year-old girls, and they're looking for a fun Halloween book that they can read within that time of year. We could also tweak the niche for Christmas. Christmas is probably the most popular time of year, and you could use this prompt to appeal to various different age groups. It could be aimed at the girls of under 5, aimed at boys who are between 5 and 8. It could be aimed at girls who are 12 to 15. But that is the beauty of it, that the prompt is there. And then it just needs a few changes to then create a completely different product. So as we are scrolling through this sales page, we can see that, they are giving us those different examples of how you can use this prompt and tweak it for the different times of year. So we're saying January, post-holiday sales often see a spike in children's book purchases as parents and educators look for new reading material for the new year. February is Valentine's. March, it's Read Across America Day. April, Easter. May, Mother's Day. June, Father's Day. July, Midsummer, back to school. So many different ideas that they are giving you that you can then use to repurpose the prompt and make completely different stories. So I think I've gone through this sales page enough and given you enough detail. Let me now show you what you receive within this particular product. So this is the back end. I did get review access. So here we are in the back end, the members area. It's just giving you some details, how to access your product, and then it's click here to download your 6-figure super prompt. So as you can see, then it opens up into a PDF document, like a kind of flipbook document, and it gives you all the details of this super prompt that you would need, and it gives you ideas of where to tweak it to make it into your very own customizable story. I am just showing you a very brief outline of this because I don't want to give away that intellectual property. So you may see that some of this screen is blurred out, but it is a 5-page in-depth prompt and details and information as to how you can use these particular prompts. Like I said, this is going to allow you, at such a small investment, this is going to allow you to just sidestep that headache. If you are within that world of creating stories and you maybe sell on Amazon KDP, or you sell things on your own website, this is going to be just a really great way of streamlining that story making process by using a tried and tested super prompt to create your products. So let me tell you about some of the upsells. So like I said before, the main front end product is only $9.97, so it's a no-brainer. And then we've got order bumps, and then the first upsell is sales page prompt series. So this is about, once you've created that book, it's about creating the content around that book to help it to sell. So that's really an important component when you are creating those particular books, depending on where you're selling them. The second upsell is to create your own video stories. So that's a prompt in order to create videos for, whether it be YouTube Shorts or long form videos. It's going to be that prompt to help you do that as well. So definitely, if you are really looking at creating a brand and a big business behind this, then that would be something you might want to consider as well. The upsell 3 is ideas prompts. So this is kind of really bulking out that sales funnel or that sales machine by introducing upsells and things like that within your sales funnel. And then we've got email swipes and a live mastermind. I definitely think out of all of these, the live mastermind, there are always nuggets. Anything that's live where you can ask questions and be there in person, but not maybe physically in person, but online, to be able to ask those questions is always going to be valuable. I would definitely also say that the upsell 1 and upsell 2, where you've created your own video stories, is going to be really helpful as well. So if you know me by now, you know that I love to create bonuses for products that I think are worth the effort. And this one is definitely one of those ones that I wanted to create a bonus for. So my bonus is Super Story Prompt Secrets Masterclass. And basically what I will be doing is I will be giving you a step-by-step, over-the-shoulder, behind-the-scenes video guide of how I use this 6-figure story prompt to create 2 stories aimed at 2 different niches. It's going to be aimed at children, but 2 different age groups, and it's going to be 2 different themes within those stories. So we're going to use that super prompt and create that story, and you will watch me as I do it. The other bonus that I have, if you purchase just that front end, is I have a set of prompts that I created myself. They are in the Christmas niche, the Valentine's Day niche, and the Easter story niche. So obviously Christmas, Valentine's, Easter, all really hot, popular seasons throughout the year. And so these prompts are going to be really great for you to use as a starting point, along with that 6-figure prompt, to create really amazing and engaging books for kids. So you get access to those prompts as soon as you purchase, but the masterclass doesn't become available until the 31st of August, so 2 weeks from now, but it will be worth the wait, definitely. So I think that is all I have for this particular review video. I hope you've got a lot of value and I've been able to peel back some layers and allow you to see what this particular product is about. I'm sure it's going to give you a lot of value and it's going to be really helpful. Like I said, the front end is only $9.97. So really you don't even have to think twice about just even purchasing that front end. Hopefully with my bonus, it makes it a super easy purchase too. So that's it for today. And until next time, all the very best.